Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Unable to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you some simple steps to solve this issue and get your notifications back. Let's go. This is a common problem that many users have faced. To disable Do Not Disturb, just follow these steps. The first thing you need to do is check if your iPhone is in scheduled Do Not Disturb mode. When scheduled, your iPhone automatically activates Do Not Disturb at a certain time of day and turns it off at a different time. To check, open Settings and go to Focus. Once you see the Do Not Disturb here, you will see a toggle for Scheduled. Simply turn it off. Alternatively, you can adjust the start and end times if you prefer a more convenient schedule. The second thing you need to do is check if your iPhone is in manual mode. This means that you have turned on the Do Not Disturb mode yourself, either from the Control Center or from the Settings app. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. If the crescent moon is highlighted, means it is turned on. Simply tap the Focus mode and turn Do Not Disturb on and off. The third thing you need to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix many issues, including the Do Not Disturb mode problem. Also, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. These are some of the possible solutions that you can try to fix the issue of being unable to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. If you still have trouble with this feature, you might want to contact Apple support for more help. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.